Welcome to a Deeplearn, where every tale is a stepping stone on the path to unlocking our hidden potential. So settle in and prepare to be amazed as we embark to reveal the true greatness that lies within us. Let's get started. In the heart of a lush forest, a remarkable tale unfolds, a story of identity, discovery, and the power within us all. Once upon a time, a lioness found herself in the throes of childbirth, an event that would change the course of many lives. Tragically, she perished while giving birth to an unexpected offspring, a calf. And so, amidst the passing of a nearby herd of sheep, the lion cub found himself inadvertently welcomed into their midst. Raised among the gentle creatures, he embraced their way of life, unaware of his true nature. Days turned into years, and the cub matured into a magnificent young lion, accepted by the sheep as one of their own. But one day, the tranquility of the forest was shattered by the arrival of a formidable lion, threatening the peaceful existence of the herd. Amidst the chaos, the lion cub's true identity was revealed, leading to a moment of reckoning that would change everything.
What's this? A lion pretending to be a sheep? How amusing.
Please, let me go. I'm just a poor sheep. I mean no harm.
Why do you flee from your true nature, young one? Embrace who you are.
I am a lion? But how can that be? It doesn't make sense.
Look into the water. See your reflection. That is the truth you've been denying.
No, I won't run anymore. I am a lion, and I will face whatever comes my way.
You are a lion, my friend. Embrace your strength and let your roar be heard.
Forced to confront his reflection, the young lion saw himself for the first time, realizing the truth that had been hidden from him. With a mighty roar, he embraced his true nature, unleashing a power within him that had lain dormant for so long. And so, the lion cub emerged from the shadows of his former self, ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. As we come to the end of this captivating journey, I hope you've been inspired by the tale of self-discovery and empowerment. If you've found value in this video, don't hesitate to spread the message of unlocking your hidden potential by sharing it with your friends and family. Remember, each one of us possesses unique talents waiting to be unleashed, so like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories and uplifting adventures. Until next time, keep dreaming big and believing in the power of your own potential.